Millions across the country plan to celebrate the 20th annual National Education Association's Read Across America Day today. And joining us now to talk about this is the president and CEO of American Eagle Financial Credit Union, Dean Marchessault. Thanks for being back with us.
Yes, thank you very much. Always enjoy it.
Your company has an extreme commitment to literacy and outreach in the community. And this is a great day to celebrate that.
It is a great day to celebrate that. This program really energizes our employees in terms of being on the ground with the students. We're over at Norris Elementary School today, so they're really excited about that. Yeah, they really enjoy that. And that's just one of many different programs that we do, but that's the one that we've selected for this year.
And this is a great time to really think about financial literacy. Obviously, we're talking about Dr. Seuss and reading, but financial literacy is another thing that we should be focusing on younger and younger ages.
Right. That's the pivot that I would make for our industry, and what we do is literacy is great. Financial literacy is even better. And just because I think you can help a lot of people avoid a lot of pitfalls. And they're very energized about learning about money. Because lots of young people have seen things come and go, see what happens to their parents, and others, they sort of see what happens, and they don't have a real good basis of understanding for that. So that's where we help fill in.
Sure. Even with my kids, if you want to buy something big and you want me to chip in, well, you're going to have to chip in too. So we're going to have to talk about saving.
Exactly right. Yeah. Sometimes that's a discipline thing that's a little bit challenging to get into for some folks. And there's a big need for it across the country. Statistics have said that there's a very large percentage of the population only has about $1,000 in emergency savings and money. So anything we can do to help that's really our role.
I mean, typically as a country, we are just simply overspending.
Right.
And we're getting into trouble. And that's where you can come in as well. Because when people have gotten into a lot of trouble, maybe in debt, they don't qualify for certain loans, they sort of think, what do I do?
Right.
But as a credit union, you're able to offer almost counseling through those obstacles, right?
Right. So not just in credit management, but in terms of savings and checking accounts, electronic services, the whole plethora of services with a bank and a credit union. But I think the real deal here is, as you say, it's about credit and helping people to work that out, helping them avoid making a really bad decision at the outstart. And when they do have credit problems, we're there as a credit union, a local financial institution, to help them work those things out. And I think we try to be very empathetic in that situation, understand, bad things can happen to good people.
Absolutely.
Can be led the wrong way, making financial decisions, making choices that seem good at the time, like anything else in life.
Plus, things happen, hardships happen.
Right.
It happens
there's
to
challenges.
all of us.
Right. There are challenges there. We've been around for 82 years, so we've seen a number of generations of folks with different challenges. But financial challenges always sort of present themselves at certain times for everybody's family or for an individual. Just can't always quite have what you want. So we try to work with budgeting to help people get set up for success very early on. And that's why being in the schools and being influencing with young people is really helpful.
And American Eagle is a credit union along with about almost 100 other credit unions here in the state of Connecticut. But some people are still not sure exactly what that means and the difference between a credit union and a bank. And there is a big difference, right?
There is. To me, there's a really big difference, and I think to our membership it is. It's a membership organization. So everybody who is a member is a part owner in that.
And
we have no shareholders.
Fee.
The membership, it's a one-time fee to open an account for $5. So it's not an annual fee. It's just one time. But that's the difference. It's a membership-based organization. So the members are owners of our business. There's no shareholders or stockholders. Our volunteer is made up of they're all volunteers on our board. So they're very committed to the guidance and the fiduciary responsibilities of our credit union. And we're very local. So the decisions are all made here. So it's not like it's happening in some other state or some other part of the country.
Very community-based.
It's very, very localized, very localized. And like I said, there's almost 100 of them across the state of Connecticut. We operate in central Connecticut pretty successfully.
All right. Well, Dean, thanks so much for being with us. We certainly appreciate you having me back.
It's great. It's a great day.
Absolutely.
Thank you.